Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan. Whew, and it is hot. What's it like in your part of the world? Because it is hot in my part of the world. I'm in southern Oklahoma. It's very, very warm. So, okay, so I'm gonna do a simple flip cup. I have not done actually I haven't been painting a lot, so I can't say I haven't done that. I haven't done anything much. But the little bit I have done, I haven't done just a simple flip cup. And those are always just fun to do. They take 2 seconds. They're just super fun. So I have some black. This is, I was trying to save it, but I really, really like it. So I'm going to use it in a pour. I have this, it's Golden Open Slow Drying. I got it in the free sample box that I signed up for from Golden. And it's Titan Green Pale. I have wanted to try Open forever in my, sorry. All right, so I've been wanting to try Open in my brushwork for a while. It's because it dries slower and I feel like I'd have more time. Well, I don't feel like, I know I'd have more time to work with the paint, but you know, there's not much you can do with one color. So anyway, I thought, well, I'll just use it with the pour. So that's what this color is. Then I have some purple. This is a Master's Touch color. And then I have some bronze. I'm going to do this on the bottom because I'm going to use all of this. I didn't mix a whole bunch, so I thought, well, I'll just use all of it. And I have silicone in the black and the bronze. I don't think I have any in the purple. And I do not have any in the green. So, all right, so I'm going to keep kind of that black away from the green. So let's do purple. Oh, that black is going to sink anyway. Black and bronze. Oop, look, the bronze is really sinking. Okay, and I'm just going to do one layer of each. I'm not going to do a whole bunch of layers. Okay, like I said, we're just keeping it very, very simple. Very, very basic. I'm not going to go around with white, but I am going to put a little bit of faux on this canvas. Just a little bit to help it move around the canvas, so it's not so it flows easily, but I don't want to add any white. All right, I don't have any gloves. I don't do this very often. Last time I did, somebody said something that I shouldn't be touching faux with my bare hands, and I agree if I was going to be doing it a lot. I don't. I very rarely do. I think the last time I did it was over a year ago, so it's not like it's something I do very often. I also don't recommend it every day or multiple times every day. So I'm going to put that out there. Okay, ready? Sound effects always help. So 1, 2, 3, bloop. Ooh, that purple. Super pretty. Ooh, I love that purple with the bronze. We've lost the green. I'm going to torch and then tilt and see what we get. The cells were coming up quite a bit before I torched, so I may not have needed that. Do I have cardboard? I have a tiny piece of cardboard here for my corners. Oh my goodness, so pretty. I think I'm gonna go this way and then that way so that my purple stretches a little bit. There we go. I'm gonna go this way. You know what I'm gonna do? I wasn't gonna use white, but I like the way that Floetrol looks. So what I'm gonna do, oh, that's really pretty. I am going to, oh, I really like that. Okay, that's why I love flip cups. You just don't know what you're gonna get. And when you get something really, really beautiful, it's just a really lovely moment. I love that. Okay. I'm gonna add some white in here carefully so that I don't like mess this composition up. There we go. And I'm gonna very carefully kind of drag it around so that we have some white paint on the canvas. I have left Floetrol dry, and I'm gonna have some of that here. So it may be interesting to see how it dries. But I have, because I want to leave that And it does cover the canvas really well, so it's not like you're leaving bare canvas. You're not going to have canvas showing or anything. So that is an option. You don't have to feel like you're like, you know, you have to figure out how to fill that in. If you don't have white paint mixed, you can just leave it like that. I've done that before. Turns out just fine. Especially since, you know, you're using a white canvas anyway, so the Floetrol smooths it out, you know, adds a layer of protection, a layer of product on there, and then by the time you varnish, you can't even tell that it wasn't painted to begin with. Okay, so there we go. Oh my gosh, super, super pretty, super, super fast. If you want something really quick to do and you're new to this, flip cups. Actually, if you're new, flip cup is a great first technique, just because they're just really fun. Sometimes you don't like what you get and you're bummed, but sometimes you get just something fabulous. That took you 2 minutes. So there you go. Super quick flip cup. Let me know what you think and what the weather is like in your part of the world. And I will see you next time, guys. Happy pouring.